What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today I'm going to answer a question I got here. This sounds like this. Hi Kenny, recently I would like to buy a second-hand property and I tried to get some bankers to evaluate the property and I discovered that HSBC valuation was lower if compared to other banks. Okay, so the question basically asking me why some banks give different banks has different valuation. The answer is here is like this. Every bank has their own different panel valuers. That's why you get different valuation from different bank, even though it's the same property. Okay, and the second thing is that the information might be incorrect. You might get a different size or you might get a different kind of furnishing. Extension with approval, extension with no approval, renovation also plays a part. So that's why if you want to ask for valuation, it's best if you get the photos. You send the photos to the bankers. Okay, send the photos and add this extra renovation, got extension or not, got approval or not. It matters to the valuation. Third one is that the bankers. Have you noticed that if you go to the same bank but you ask two different bankers, two different bunch, you will also get a different value because these bankers will know different valuers. Okay, even in the same firm they may know different valuers. Okay, but in the same firm usually the probability is less likely because once the valuer give you a verbal indication, they will record down inside their files that given this bank and this verbal indication. So if you call from the same bank, they will give you the same value, okay, for the same property. That is how systematic valuation is supposed to work lah. So I hope that answers the question. In short, everybody has a different concept of what the value is in the market. Hence, that's why we refer to these professional valuers for verbal indication for your property. So in the future, if you want to refinance your property, you want to buy a property, you can always go to websites like Bricks first, bricks.my to check, or iProperty to check the transacted price. From there, you can roughly gauge. Okay. Then the bank that give you the low value, don't take that bank. You can always choose another bank, right? If you want to refinance, you also choose another bank lah. So you can cash out higher mah. We are lucky in a way that Malaysia has many banks. So don't worry, one bank give you low doesn't mean every bank is low. But you also must be reasonable lah. The property price is, the area is 300,000. Don't ask for 500,000 lah. Okay, don't ask for 600,000, something like that. Okay, and there's the area also not much transaction. Then you know lah. But we shall go into these factors that affects the property valuation in the future videos. Okay, for now, just remember this. If you cannot get the value from one bank, that's not the end. Just check with other banks. That's all for me for today. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. Bye bye.